wanted to do a quick spring and Easter update, and this is the view when you walk in the door. I have this really pretty floor lamp here that looks like a beautiful chandelier, and my credenza with all the same stuff on it as my last tour. I have this really pretty painting that I got from Home Goods, and a few other things that are just some of my favorite things. Actually, I absolutely love this bust. I know I've said it 1,000 times if you watch my home tours, but it's still my very favorite thing. It is vintage, and of course my beautiful crystal collection. I have crystals all over my house, so many of them. I just can't stop collecting them. They're so beautiful. And of course, this gorgeous ginger jar that I got from Williams-Sonoma. I will share that in a link down below if you are interested in seeing where that came from. It is just stunning. Another one of my very favorite pieces in my home. You're gonna hear the dogs a lot throughout this video. They are in a very playful mood. I turned my gas off of the fireplace, even though it was super cold today and actually snowing in April. I'm not going to turn it on right now. This is my big, beautiful mirror, and I've got my spring cherry blossom stems in this floor vase. I will probably keep them in this vase through summer. I just think they are so pretty. And I have a cute little Easter pillow with this pretty pearl detail and pom-pom balls. And you know what, guys? I think I'm going to keep my furs throws out all year because I just love them, and I really don't know exactly what I would replace them with. I love my furs, and there's always going to be furs thrown about my home all throughout the year. This is the fireplace that I have decorated for spring and Easter. I don't have a lot of decor, but I did want to show what I have. I know you guys like to see the decor tours. Here's Buddy running through with his little toy. So I've got my vintage blow mold chocolate Easter bunnies that I am so in love with. They are just timeless, adorable pieces that I will keep forever. And I have this really pretty gold banner from Target. I believe they put these out for all the seasons. Well, most of them at least. I have the Christmas one, and I think they're just so simple and elegant, and I love decorating with them. I did get the cherry blossom stems and the garland from Target as well, and then I just added a few Easter eggs from Hobby Lobby. So I'll just give you a little overview of our living room and dining room area that leads off into the kitchen. I've got a candle burning here on the books on my coffee table. I haven't really switched much of this up. I just love how everything looks. This pampas grass is really pretty. It's like almost a pale pink color, or just a natural pink, I would say. It looks really cute for spring. I did get this magnolia salt diffuser from Target, as well as several other of my crystals displayed here on the coffee table. Now, if you haven't seen my tablescape video, I did do an Easter tablescape, and I think it just turned out so beautifully. First, I will show you what I did with these planter boxes on the wall. I just added some greenery Easter eggs and a little mossy Easter bunny, and I just think it looks really cute for spring. And this is the spring tablescape overview. I did go ahead and switch out the painting that I had here. It was like a fall wintry painting, and I put this nice spring and summer floral painting up. Again, in that video, I did explain how I put this together and where I got everything, but most of it, if not all of it, was from HomeGoods, and I just think it is so cute. I love the little bunnies for Easter, and I just love this beaded table runner. I think it is so pretty, and I put this floral arrangement in the center together myself with a basket that I had using florals from Hobby Lobby, and I think it turned out so beautiful for spring. I don't usually do floral arrangements that often in my home, but I thought it was so perfect for Easter. I had to have one for my Easter table. And then I did decorate this antique mantle that I have here on the wall with an Easter banner and some Easter egg garland, and I think it looks really cute. I'll do a little spin around here of the room. And now we will make our way into the kitchen. Fun fact, I do want to remove this little partition wall here when we get new flooring, so hopefully that happens soon. But here is my favorite view of our kitchen, and I do have a few little spring touches in here. It is just simple and white and clean, and I like to keep it that way. I actually had a moss bunny on the counter and I had to take it off because it was just bothering me. But I do have a simple little decor here on the island. I have this beautiful authentic copper tray that I got from Williams-Sonoma. I love this pedestal bowl I got at Target, and I do have one from Pottery Barn as well. They are just so pretty. I have these cute white bunnies here that I got from Pottery Barn, and they have some sparkly Easter eggs in the basket. I recently got these stems at Hobby Lobby, and they were on sale for $5 each, and there's 4 in this vase, and I just thought they were so nice and so substantial. They really look good and expensive, and they were only $5 if you go when the stems are 50% off, so I thought that was a great deal. Again, I just have these ginger jars here, and everything just freshened up and clean for spring. I've got my new knife block from the Barrymore beautiful collection over there, and it is just so beautiful. I have a cute little Easter hand towel. I always try to tell myself to stop buying holiday hand towels. They're just so cute, and I got this a year or so ago at Target, so I actually didn't need to buy one this year. And then I just have a little floral arrangement for spring. And one of my other favorite pieces is this marble bowl, pedestal bowl. I think it's a fruit bowl. I can link that as well. It is a timeless, gorgeous piece, and it is pure marble. And I just have some limes and artichokes in here. Then I have my beautiful Smeg appliances. My candle is burning, and I keep my Barrymore beautiful air fryer out on the counter. I use it every single day. I used to have a big black one, and it was really ugly, and I kept it down under the counter here, and I would have to take it out every time I use it. But this is just so cute. It matches my kitchen well, the hardware and everything. It just so perfect. I do have the crock pot that I keep down there, but I don't use it as often. Some really pretty spring flowers displayed on the fridge. Do a quick overview of the kitchen. You can probably hear Little Bear over there eating. She is chowing down on her food, but he's just watching. So this is the laundry room, butler's pantry area, because we have the little mini fridge there. And the sink, I do have a little spring floral arrangement in here. Have the wine, what is that called? Just a wine holder? The wine rack, yeah. And our microwave. Have an antique cabinet with some florals on it, and I keep my snake plants in here. They do get a lot of light. My new mop that I got, I will show you in a video, but I am so in love with it. It is super awesome, so be sure to check that video out when it comes out on my channel. I do keep extra drinks and stuff in this little tote thing here, this little trunk. So down here is our family room. I don't have anything special added here for spring, but just in case it ever evolves down here, I'll go ahead and include it in this tour. I just have our chairs over here, and this is where we watch TV and everything in this room. I rarely watch TV, but if I do, it's down here. I've got this really big painting and this table. I would like to do something on this wall, maybe add some shelving units if I can find some big enough. Really, the only shelving units I've found that were big enough are at Restoration Hardware, and if you've ever shopped Restoration Hardware, you know that it's not cheap, so I just haven't wanted to put down that much money on shelves that I might grow tired of. So this is the other pedestal bowl that is from Pottery Barn. I got this one in black, and it does have some candy in it because my husband sits here on the couch and eats candy. I did recently get this fur throw from Pottery Barn. It is so cozy. They have the best throws. And then there's the TV. I actually don't like the TV above the fireplace. It's just up too high for my liking. My husband likes it. I think the TV would be better right here, and then maybe just put a painting up there. Maybe we'll do that sometime in the future, but yeah, I don't really care to watch the TV. I just don't like watching TV in general, but it is definitely too high for my liking. And yeah, that is our family room. No particular spring touches down here, but this is what it currently looks like. Okay, this is the spring look for the bedroom. It's just basically the basic look that I keep my room looking like year round, not decorated for any holiday. I don't really have any specific spring touches, but I did show in a previous video how I got these new lamps, and they are really pretty. They have this like beautiful brass gold detail and like a crystal type look at the top, and then I just have a crystal on the nightstand just because I have so many crystals and very few sitting spaces, so they ended up on my nightstand. And the crown above the bed is also like a brushed brass color. And then I have this painting over here that's got some grays and silvers and golds in it, and the same lamp over here, as well as this big beautiful crystal. I think this is the most recent crystal I've purchased. I just don't feel like you can grasp how beautiful it is. I told myself not to buy any more, but whenever I saw this one, I had to bring it home, of course. So I have this thing over here, which I showed in a previous video, that I got at the antique store. It is just a ginormous vase. I thought it was so cool, and it came with a pampas grass in it. And yeah, I don't know if I'll keep it in my bedroom forever, but this corner was empty and really needed something in it, so I thought, why not put that there for now? And then I just have that furry bench and a book just sitting there for no particular reason. And this is also another new light that I got. My neon light that says La Vie en Rose. It means life in pink, and if you know me, you know that I love pink and everything pink, so I just thought that was so perfect and so beautiful. And I had been listening to this song on repeat for a week when I came across this. So I was listening to it before I came across this, and I was like, wow, this is so perfect. I really need to get it. And yeah, it's right there on my fireplace for now. I may move it to my closet later, but my closet is too messy to show as usual. So that is the bedroom. And that is it for my home tour, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have so many cleaning, decorating, cooking, shopping, hauls, try-ons, all kinds of stuff you can find on my channel. So please subscribe, stick around, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.